Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about Google Skills. So do you know that Google has just launched centralized learning platform, and it is used for building practical AI, cloud and tech skills all in one place. So it brings together nearly 3000 courses, labs and credentials from multiple Google teams, including Google Cloud, DeepMind, Grow with Google, Google for Education. So this is designed for everyone, including beginners, developers, tech professional, leaders and organizations. So today we will explore what Google Skills is and how you can leverage it and how you can make use of it and grow in your career as well as advance your tech skills in today's world. So what you have to do is you have to go to skills.google and this page will come up, and you can start typing here like what do you want to learn today. So let's say if I want to learn about generative AI, and I will select this topic generative AI. You can give any topic like prompt engineering, anything which you want to learn in today's world. So when I click on generative AI, it gives me all these courses. So these courses are not only what is good about Google Skills is it is providing you a structured path as well. So you can go into the structured path and you can learn step by step all the different modules about generative AI and becoming a generative AI leader. So you can see that there are different courses that within this path that you can go and do. And the good part is they are also providing you with certain certifications, and they are also providing you certificates and batches along with this. So we selected generative AI. Let's see what all things are there in generative AI. So there are these courses which you can do. Also they are providing you labs. So for example, they are providing you lab on generative AI with Vertex AI, Google prompt design. So this is something that they are providing. They are also providing you with different batches, courses and labs which you can do. So there are a lot of things, a lot of courses, around 3000 plus courses which you can go and make use of it, and you can obtain different batches also for these particular courses. So what you have to do is you have to sign in. You have to click on sign in. You have to use your Google Gmail account in order to sign in into this particular skills.google, and once you sign in, then you can start learning. So the good part of this particular course with skills.google is, like you can see on my screen, I completed one course. So the good part is it acts as a gamification and motivation also. So there are different engagement features like progress streaks, achievements, and they'll also give you shareable badges to make learning fun and motivating. So you can see like I completed one course on Sunday, so it says my current streak is one, and it shows your plan your learning journey. So you can plan also your learning journey. It is showing you different paths which you can complete. And you have like, I have already completed one course, first course, and it says that you can claim the badge. So once I click on claim, it says you have claimed the badge, and let's click on claims. Yeah, so this is the badge which I have earned on like this is the badge that I earned today. So I claimed that particular badge. So this is how it goes, and it shows your progress also. So like I am part of bronze league. So once I start building on this particular thing, I can learn different courses. I can apply that knowledge into my professional life, as well as it will help in growing my career, and I can showcase it on my LinkedIn as well. So I will recommend everyone to go and check it out, skills.google. And if you need any further information or any further guidance, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll try to help you as much as possible.